Want you. Want you, want you, want you, want you, want you. Share the life, people, share the life, share the life. You know what I say? Real Talk IG each and every Sunday. You know what I deal with? You don't know the sharp boss early warm. You know what I say? From 5 o'clock. So make sure everyone just go and tell a friend for tell a friend. You know what I say? So people, you don't know, bless up the sponsor each and every Thursday. You can check out Rumble Talk each and every Thursday. You know what I say? Iron Vice and Jew, Soundchat Radio. See it? Soundchat.com, Soundchat TV. See it? So remember people, Real Talk IG, bless up my brethren, now we done each, now we done, bless up yourself anyway, you my brother. You know what I say? Sharp boss, fire up the alarm, let me get everything compensated right now. Make sure everybody tap the screen, share the live people. See it? So right now people, let it go.
News just in, the notorious fugitives LP International, wanted worldwide by Interpol and the FBI, are rumored to be in your area. The police say these men must
share the life.
I repeat, must not be approached. They're armed and dangerous,
Easy,
carrying
Jonah.
the latest hardcore dub plates. One sound has already been declared dead on arrival. The details aren't yet clear. One sound brutally cut down in their own backyard by a hail of steel plates from the LP crew. That's the World Soundlink News. I'm Michael Coles.
Slow down! You know what's so funny that you know LP flow sound. I mean, I say, yo, I'm going to represent once again for Real Talk IG. Slow down!
Yeah, man.
LP
Check.
I play songs of classic like Park Jurassic. I want to done! Puma large, I'm saying, Mr. Killer D, kick it down! Yeah. Real Talk now.
Share the life, share the life, share the life.
LP International, yeah. Real Talk IG, anywhere the hustle them on go on that down.
Hunt it down.
Real Talk IG, I feel win. Get to youth.
Come on, people, share the life.
Real Talk IG, and say we in. First thing you fi do when you get up, or dash down, stemming on the dustbin. LP International, Real Talk. Yeah. Each and every Sunday, 6 p.m. we can't do without.
Oh, you can do without that.
Watch Puma with the cowbell.
I kill a D in the house.
And when I lucky 5 still I put a little thing.
I know, I have to mount up my thing.
Get a youth, don't make no man trick you. One, don't make no girl put no pussy in your mouth.
Real Talk.
Cause I win. Get a youth, hustle till you make it, no give up, never you do such thing. LP International are we.
Yeah man, make sure you share the live, people, tap the screen.
Don't make nobody stop you from your dream.
To the guests me know they don't want to miss it. Easy Linden, chunny bad man.
All when they dirty tough like steel. We know about struggle, yeah, we know that's real. Oh, you fi come and tell me about Real Talk. You don't know how they fuck that feel.
Yeah man, share the live.
When they lily like a kid's meal. Still
I'm guessing at the building already from early.
When the sun not get to you.
Yeah man, punctuality, you know.
Little buckle and a scrub a windshield. Real Talk IG, get a you, don't sit down here.
Get an application.
Life is precious, get a youth, don't sit down, get full up of application.
Yeah man.
You have your youth pan the way your girl a breed them, they sit down there, you pit their obligation. Where you sit down and a wait pan, no make them call you no waste man. Real Talk as a win.
Oh you mean, Mega Bantan says so, you know me I say each and every Sunday people, just make sure you tell a friend for tell a friend, see it?
Yeah! LP, the original roughneck sound, veteran sound for years. Puma, Starfish and Scar and Papa Sound, and Lieutenant is your whole time veteran. And we look and tell them, say, from we a lily boy, a beard in a bad pan. Well, we a chat microphone, lang. Well, we not just come, we a dance hall.
Yeah, man, the sharp bass fire up the land, man. Sure.
From them a pay 40 cents for admission.
Bless up to all of the listeners, them all over the world.
Man, we used to fight for Smiley and Michigan. A chattel with spy, co-vibration. General, the co-chats lacking.
John know the dance nice from early.
Bang, Gemini DJ.
Yes, comes me.
And from Virgo, Johnny Ringo was #1. Josie Wells, him a DJ Badman. Well, you will have sick if you try this the program. When him a DJ Storegraph, him a madman. No gate man couldn't hold up on
Josie and
Charlie Chaplin.
He's a father J.
Used to run up and down a red pan. People faint when them start to see yellow man. I'm the all
done does liberation.
But nobody never crazy about purple man.
You're Ryan Shatter, bless up on earth. Hey, Ryan Shatter, bless up on your earth strong, my brother. Bless up.
Me, Mado, Donovan, and John.
Up here, it's John.
The stable of General Echo. Brigadier
Alex, stop that, bless up yourself.
Them the time made in Maga.
Oh, you mean?
So, hand me head favor, peel drunk crow. Professor Nuts usually dance disco. He used to walk with the ratted afro. Cool no man make me.
Make sure you share the live, people. Share the live, share the live.
Everything go. You see the first time them can me go a studio.
Oh, you mean? Blessing, blessing.
An hero. The first time me hear me name on the radio. Me did hungry and dash when me to a tour. The first time me see myself on a video. Man, me feel like a very proud negro. Then them carry me go chat Metro Media. That are the first time me meet
Peter Metro.
Me know Zuzu, me never know Malvo. Me know Sky Juice.
Why come like a dance? Yo, they landed hot from early.
Never have the Volvo.
Got the sharp bus turn all AC from earlier. What go on?
When before him have Puplo. Me a lady G share the same Kisco. Me know General Trees from Scorpio. Me know chat from Kilimanjaro.
Well, General Trees and Sassafras was the ass man. From Black Scarp.
Make sure you tap up the screen, people. Tap it.
When them start to see yellow man. I'm the all
Don't do some liberation.
Nobody never crazy about purple man. Too much color would have confused the nation. Well, color man from the youth man promotion. Kick up a rumpus and run left in Badland. Me look and tell them this. When me tell them Chakademus and Manal Bailey.
Combination.
Well,
Easy Kaya, Yarridge School, bless up.
Chakademus link up with players and go number one.
Oh, Admiral, no whole click. Oh, you mean?
Yandy man. Well, Papa Sanima here to hear veteran. Professor Nuts in my band.
Watch out. Don't know long we are traveling a truck back. I reach a dance every day from
3 o'clock.
We have to
Make sure you share the live, people. Share the live, share the live.
Jeffrey empty lawn and soundbox. And every quarter when me get it off exact. It only good for a snack or a nightcap. Them say Prentice, DJ or riff rap. That's why them treat all of us like a foot mat. Cool no man make me touch in
yes,
a
man.
box. Make this and
up the Admiral, up there.
Remember how they must have get 52 shot. And them lick down cap over racetrack. Them could not get Stoney Brown and George Flash. And them get readers talk.
Yeah, man, and the legend, man, Papa San.
What more was a
Lieutenant Stitchy.
I'm not Kentucky and no skate land.
Peter Metro did the cool out of England. We have bye to the whole of the Caribbean. Bring back Dominic the DJ White Man. And you know it did shot enough Jamaican. The whole of fresh Red Dragon. Me never said that him smell me a sing a song. Tiger used to DJ Pam Black Star. A woman lick him off in back with a motor car. Family, fan, friend and everybody been. Papa San, tell them.
Tiger live again. Yes, Choco Bantan. Bless up the whole LP click. You know me I say? Black P, bless up yourself. Anyway you're standing. Linden, now we done. You know me I say? Rowan, anyway you're standing. You know me I do it?
Now this is an exclusive done for the LP International sound.
Come on, people, share the live, share the live.
Please the scary and danger done. The messenger. Shall bless the sound international.
Let's go, real talk IG.
Trade winds keep on blowing. My sound keeps on playing. LP keeps on ruling, cause I
yes, super Dan, bless up yourself, my brother.
will never give up the fight. Just yesterday,
Skelachi.
sounds were hoping for tomorrow, and they hope and pray.
Yeah, man, I feel like kick it off different this week. Different this week. The whole Babiton crew, mess up.
How many sounds could try to test the LP sound?
What you mean? Babiton Ital spot. Typical.
In the end, LP gonna throw them down.
Number 1 chef up there, no Choco Bantan. Our virgin Raggington.
The going gets, the job gets going, cause
All right, Luciano, sing it out.
LP will never give up the fight, even though they try to push me aside.
LP will
never give up the fight.
First played by the LP International. Hear that? So now I want to big up Killer D, Puma, Gary, Junior Killer.
What you mean? Bless up Father G, man.
And all the dancehall fans, hear this exclusive. Whatever you want in life.
Come on, people, easy. Early push off. Real talk IG. Let's go.
Gonna take 1,000,000 years or more. 100,000 armies strong.
Hollanda.
And all you leaders in this world can never try to beat it down.
Easy now, we're done.
That you make people
Lady C.
live all their lives. Little children, men and wives. Work until
All right, bury someone. Sing it up with the people in me. Let me hear what I go and bury
the
it.
cold. Yes, LP will live on forever. Yes, yes. And the truth will
Yo, pull up them tune from top, man. Pull up them tune from top. I'm not telling no lie.
whatever you want in life.
Share the life, people. Share the life.
You just gotta
early push up.
Yes.
Yo, you have to bless up Father Jeep on them tune, you know.
Take 1,000,000 years or more. 100,000 armies strong. And all your leaders in this world can never try to beat it down.
Let's have everyone on the big old life. Make sure you tap that screen.
Little children, men, and
share the lives.
Work until
Facebook and Twitter.
Yeah, then left out in the cold. Yes, LP will live on forever. Yes, yes. And the truth will survive. Whatever.
What you tell them, Black up here?
Yes. See, cause till we understand we're gold and diamond, they'll treat us like we are no one. Stand up for your rights.
What you mean?
Yeah,
we stand up.
Still fight. No. Sacrifice with blood and sweat. Yes. Down a road that's closer to death.
No, I'm not playing no more than that. No more than that. No more than one day, okay? Now I'm going over Italy. Bless up to all of my Europe crew. Them, you know what I say? Italy, France, Germany, the whole of the people them overseas right now. Gone over Italy right now, people.
Ding dong dong, tibbling dong dong, it's a champion song.
Alba Rosie.
National song, tibbling dong dong, tibbling dong dong, it's a rude boy song.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Some boy have no man and still a try fit burger thing. Them can't buy no dog, run suck your mother kid.
Tibbling dong dong, tibbling dong dong, it's a champion.
What you mean?
Song, it's a national song. Tibbling dong dong, tibbling dong.
Early push off, early push off, early push off.
Some boy have no man and still a try fit burger thing. Them can't buy no dog, run suck your mother king. Help international stop traffic, top a top system. All of the gangsta inna the dance, them bust the M16. LP around the scene, and them are the maddest thing. Look how them sharp and rich, them show off girls.
Yes, people, Alba Rosie.
Marijuana,
if you don't familiar with it, let's go, let's go.
Tibbling dong dong, tibbling dong dong, it's a champion song, help international song.
Run the rhythm. LP International.
I tell you, so the afternoon are different.
Big man Puma run things.
When me was a youth, me granny whip me and me skin it woulda catch a fire.
Pull up them tune from top. Share the live, people. Share the live. Share the what?
Run the rhythm. LP International. Big man.
Yeah, man, the sharp bars got hold of meds right now. Burn the land up, burn it up, burn it up, burn it up.
When me was a youth, me granny whip me and me skin it woulda catch a fire. LP did a rip up in a dance hall and the music just take it higher. Cause me couldn't leave the yacht, she said the dance have too much weed and rasta. I love your granny dear, but LP say him come fi blaze the fire. LP is the people's choice. In a dance hall,
we are the people's.
LP International is
the people's.
And feel the vibes, yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm a virgin, man. I'm a virgin. Where Darwin?
You better know, so every son boy have to run when LP come fi blaze the fire.
You better know, sir.
LP are the man with the selection.
Real talk, IG people. Share the life, share the life, share the life.
The lessons in a life come the hard way. Him no slip and him don't falter.
Oh, you mean?
Yes, the love for LP is so solid. This is just a reminder. LP is.
We are the
people's choice. In a
LP says slow down. LP says slow down.
LP son play for all the princess them at all.
request to all the ladies them right now. All the females them. Bless them up.
Dark City big up all the empress them. I don't know Nasty Canasty 2 first.
Ladies see, Ken's Mill.
From LP a year sound.
All of the ladies them all log on right now.
Mana. LP lady.
Come on, ladies. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
No, we never been defeated. The year sound saying,
Yo, pull up them tune. I'm not playing no more that tune. I request to all the females them. who tune in. You chuck a bantam, bless up yourself, man. Bless up the wife. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't know. People just go and shape my life. Real Talk IG. Each and every Sunday. Because you don't know. Bless up the sponsor. You know what I'm saying? Rumble Talk. You know what I'm saying? Iron Vice and Jew. Wicked piece of show. Yo, Chano Star.
Yeah.
Come on, ladies. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, LP kill another sound boy again. Them dead with no good bite and a single door was played. Cause from them this simple mean them.
Make sure you share the live, tap that screen.
Sound boy, have no idea.
Easy Keisha Martin, and the way you're standing right now.
LP have a killer heart and a bitterness. Sound boy get a gun.
They say not start yet, man, not start yet.
Don't you remember?
Yo, Jew, bless up yourself, bless up yourself. No, Dan Gargan.
Don't you remember? LP kill you before. Kill you already.
They kill you once more, Gianos. Yo, when I kill nobody on the Real Talk IG. And you say I'll be a niceness, I'll be a fun and niceness. And you're reasoning and all them things every Sunday. People, so you don't know, make sure you go and share the life. Share the what? Share up the life.
Not even the dance that piss against the walls of Babylon to escape the rat LP sound come to pour. And we shall burn.
Yeah, man, bless up a singer here. Come always checking on the life too.
Battlefield, check. Oh, please, my cause, oh, Jah. LP office stand firm. Not even the
pull them tune from top people.
Babylon to escape the rat LP sound come to pour. And we shall burn them and burn them continuously. For they never cease to oppress the poor.
Let's go.
Check. Oh, please, my cause, oh, Jah. LP office stand firm. When I hear that sound rise against the eye.
One more time, Miss Singer, one more time.
And order their steps, oh, Jah. The way it's dark, let them be not alone. LP, we fear no foe, no.
Let's go.
Whom I tell them, say now.
Yes, ready, link. Bless up yourself, my brother. Bless up.
But turn the other cheek. God, the wicked in a Babylon slew.
Come on, people.
I miss a whoa, please, my cause.
Oh, Chano.
Killer D, we are super dance straight up. LP keep killing them out.
Oh, you mean each and every Sunday, people, we burn the fire. Real Talk IG. Share the life.
Oh, yes. Take this dub and receive. Cause LP is all we need. Puma got Wally Pado up him sleeve. Oh, yes. Take this dub and receive. LP is all we need. Yes, we got.
Oh, you mean each and every Sunday, people?
Oh, yes. Thoughts of you up in my head. And every second of the plate it spreads. Coursing through a jump and swing. Cafe book a jump and up in the land. One more dub and a jump and gone. Oh, LP play.
Make sure you share the life.
Oh, yes. No time to play, sound it's time to die. Killer the world, you want your brain.
Yeah, bless up the whole Fergo Digital Click.
LP, you make
Kiddy Rankin Fittis. Father Fergie.
yes, take this dub and receive. Well, LP is all we need.
LP International, a murder people. The things that we are wipe out Trump, right?
Yeah, man, I play a couple more, man. I guess it's here,
Here,
people.
watching the Junior killer them through right.
I guess it's here.
Brooklyn, Germany, 90s, 21st. Da-da-da-da-die. LP a murder jump and again.
I miss it, da-da-da-da-die.
LP a real murderer.
When they come at LP Sunday?
It's been a long time now. LP a murder jump and like this. Jump and life I go disappear when them don't play to play again. Boy life I go erase. And me say put them in a them place. LP a blast them dub play.
Come on, people, share me life.
LP murder them. And me say dub plate. Kill jump and like this. Murder son boy again.
Oh, you mean special sometime?
Kill a jump and again.
Let's go.
And it's
So loud.
Yo, DJ Dan, eyes, bless up.
Jump on, so we kill them again. We say LP murder.
When we come for LP Sunday, on the Sunday people, we don't kill the sound scene. We go and push the sound them and promote them and thing the scene. So Real Talk IG, know we done anywhere you're standing, my brother. Bless up yourself. See it?
To them babies, them dainty ladies, we cater for your lives.
What the LP ladies them there? What the LP ladies them there?
Someone I like LP because it's with our followers are so superior. LP so brilliant. Love is the highs of them LP.
Hey, Killer D, forward some lady round, Killer D. Forward some lady round. One chuck cooler than them, Killer D.
LP is brilliant and LP is pure.
Check.
We have all them angels. Knock it on.
What do you mean? Easy bunks, my brother.
Smiling and sweet at the subway, even though they're standing with the man. LP won't lose her, won't sleep on that.
Come on, people, come on, ladies.
Ladies, cause you're beautiful, baby. You're beautiful, lady.
Hey, pull up. Them tune for the woman that we have self-confidence.
What do you mean?
Big up to the woman that we don't see enough weight, but nobody boy child for tell us say you look good or you're beautiful or you're pretty. You know inside of you say you're pretty, you're born that way. They find your time, you're forward out of your mother. You know say you're born beautiful. Big up to all my ladies on the live. Yvette, big up yourself. Curvy Empress, big up yourself. Them tune for the girls them Puma. Let us song, man.
7 execution style mean murder. LP International have no reward for no murder because we are the fuck.
Big up to all my ladies, man, on the line. Let's go.
And 2 first.
Keisha Martin, bless up yourself. Good as, what you mean?
To them babies, them dainty ladies, we cater for your lives.
Easy Junior, one dangerous. Big up yourself.
Come on, people.
Big up to the ladies that we know say when you wake up and you go brush your teeth. What you say to yourself?
LP so brilliant. Love is the highs of them LP ladies. So pretty babies.
Share the light, tap the screen.
I'm a tougher. Why go?
LP is brilliant.
Summer.
And LP is pure. We have all them pain.
Big up to all my ladies with all that confidence. Big up to the girl that we know say for boy go. 100 boy that we party one day. Big up to the girl that we know say you stay good morning, noon and night. How you stay?
You're beautiful, baby. You're beautiful, lady. You're beautiful. It's true. Ladies, I saw your face in a crowded place. LP ladies, and I don't know
what you do. What are the people?
Cause I'll never be with you. Ladies,
Puma, what do you mean on her reason? What she do?
well, she caught my eyes as we walked on by, and she could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I see her.
All the good as ladies, them man.
We share the
Easy caps, big up yourself. All my ladies, let's go. Oh, yes, dear.
You're beautiful, happy ladies.
You're beautiful.
We sing ta-na-na-na, LP sing ta-na-na-na. Oh.
You're rubbing now with sound I play.
LP.
One more play a what?
A murder.
One more was a boy.
Murder sound boy.
What you talk about?
Talk about soul.
Oh, you mean?
Talk about door.
Who you talk about?
LP a murder sound boy forevermore. LP rules the world. Rise every good.
More see some flares on the screen. What the fire down there? Some fire upon the lines. How it go?
You don't understand. Oh no. LP International has a place.
So tell them about the plan remain.
LP rise the machine to kill sound forever.
How I will do?
LP rise the machine starts playing.
Easy, Jerry.
my son, boy.
Let's go, people.
You know you are gonna die, I know. Adios, son, boy.
It's better with them chipmunks, you know. Chiano.
LP, I go
Chiano, you're the chipmunks, man. Chiano.
Alright then, well if you feel LP is wrapped around your little finger, you're wrong. Nobody can feel as if
yeah man, box padawana.
program to kill. Think you alone can play a song, will be broken if you walk out. But anytime you get that up in your blood,
what you not do?
Don't come back. One, go. Don't come back. Leave the dance. I know, yeah. Don't come back.
It's just the way things go. Wow, my life is so. You know, I'm gonna say, you see them soundboard over there, so.
Warm to them soundboard, Killer D.
You know what?
Warm to them, Killer D.
Scary. Wow. Damn. Soundboy, no luck for you. You don't have a woman to go home to. What we do? LP them take away all your woman. And there's nothing you can do.
Young gun, swing up.
No luck for you. You don't have no kids to attend to. Scary them take away all your woman. And there's nothing you can do now.
No. I won't play. LP International. LP International.
It no matter which country, which state, which continent. Just remember.
I do believe LP gonna kill you, sound boy. I do believe we'll play if we bust the AK. I do believe LP will kill you.
Sound boy.
I don't try to taste LP sound.
All right, Killer D, I will sing at that. You know me, I say, we ain't the one that sings, so you know me, I say, a long time we have to sing, so Korea. So anyway, we ain't the one that do right now, bless up himself right now, see? So now we're done. You know me, I say, bless up the whole LP click, Real Talk, IG, bless up the sponsor, Rumble Talk, each and every Thursday, people. One fire show up on Soundchat Radio, make sure you check it out, see? So you don't know, request to all the ladies them same way, because you don't know, we have done the fire same way. We have play a couple more, and then bring on the guests, okay?
1, 2, 3, we better than LP, we better than the whole of them. LP sound, we not beg no friend. Kill them all and laugh off of them. Sing it, representing for LP International. Big up, Puma them and Killer D and Pally.
Yeah man, we are taking it easy this Sunday, people. Let's share the life, share the life.
Oh gosh, sing it, sing it, sing it. Lord, this one is exclusive, you know what I mean?
Oh, you mean?
Sound boy. Speechless. Can't talk to you, bumper. May I jump out, may I chat too much, sound boy, I want you. From night you shout.
Share the light, people, share the light.
LP, listen. Them can't go round the dogs we play for them. No matter how hard them try. Ooh, boy. Hey, listen now. And any sound disrespect, we are gonna murder them. So tell us, sound boy, don't try.
All right, sing out, me singer, sing out.
But you know, we beat them bad with this double, and them can't escape it. LP your partner us, every sound I think you're brave.
They better know that.
This love is shining like the rising of the dawn.
Oh, you mean?
LP your beat sound boy, murder them in the land and left them speechless. Them can't test no time. We left them speechless.
How will you say again?
Some guy don't try LP. We leave them speechless. No matter how them try.
Me say we
leave them speechless. All I see a murder some guy. Ah.
Oh yeah. LP International. I'm not talking about. We get a message from them. I'm not talking. Help me just get a letter from them, baby. They wrote down it's LP International. Oh yeah, yeah. I read your letter just the other day, telling me how much you wanna murder with. I wonder what can make you straight. Who am I gonna kill you, son boy, any day? You never buy no fancy doll. You never buy chocolate or rose. I wonder if it things like those.
Come on, people, share the life, share the life.
I know your friends been telling you all the things about LP, but
yeah, man, me play about 4 more, make me guess forward.
I to know.
Again.
I know you've been to places. Now you see many faces. Don't let the sound out there help me.
All right.
I'm begging you, kill them, help me, damn them.
You're black up here, we're not killing nobody.
I like the way they walk.
I would have put a check in Taliban.
Kill them for me, damn them slowly. Kill them, oh help me, oh.
Yes, people, I play about 3 more tunes and make me guess for a work. You don't know a long time him there, you know what I say? And him there from early punctuality, you know what I deal with? It's the key. See? So make sure you go and tap the screen, make sure you share the live, you know what I say? Share up the live, people. What? Share up the live.
Yes, LP International, assist the Kalanja this. Yeah! Rastafari, I cut and clear, kill the wicked now. Never forget to burn Babylon. Yeah! Oh, big yourself, Puma, set speed. Big yourself, you know, Gary Stacer. Big up all of the massive, them near and far.
Request to all my Africans, man.
International sound.
Yeah, if you never visit Africa before, it's a beautiful place. Make sure you go there. One day in your life, people.
Hey, you set me free, I'm gone. Africa, I wanna be, come along.
Come on.
Put your problems away, love is the source of life.
Let's go, people.
And after the rain, the sun comes shining bright. You're my beloved, my beloved.
What is the Kalanji say?
My beloved.
Everybody on the live.
There's no pain in the love we had found.
I what?
There's no pain. LP International, hear the sound. LP International play.
Yo, me not tell no like, yo, people. All who love life, let me say, if you find your love life right now, let me see the fire emoji them right now. Find your love life. Find your love life, fire emoji on the screen right now. Fire emoji up there.
Some boy try to shoot and squeeze that.
Let's go, people. Find your love life. Find your love life. One to go.
Where they go do? Where they go do?
Oh, you mean?
View my life, the easy like.
Giano star. Pull up them tuna people. Pull.
LP International gear. I'm a pure man to deal with.
Yeah, man.
Some boy try to shoot and squeeze them.
Yes, Father G, anywhere you're standing.
LP International life. Where they go do? Where they go do? View my life, the easy like 1, 2, 3. The easy like the game.
Could the fire emoji, man? Could the fire them?
The easy so don't play with international life. The easy like 1, 2, 3. The easy like the
one to go.
My life, the easy so don't play with. Yo, Gary life, road full of buckle and gas. Tell about the tackle and cash. Yo, we stand firm like the $1,000,000 match. Nah, tie something like a knock.
Oh, you mean?
Real life, best when me and better unga. Still not this the money flash lightning up and roll thunder. Nah, can't see my son down. You my ass up and now, but
let's go.
Me have faith in my life, faith in my life. Do a lot I coulda need the highlight.
You killer, you love your life, my brother. You love your life, my brother.
It's like still them want sleep with my wife. View my life.
No easy like 1, 2. Jesus Christ, like how I love my life. You don't know we have enough bridging where we pass through. You know what I say?
No. We're not part.
What do you mean? All right. Let me correct me speech. We have enough bridging. Yeah. You don't know who will last. You know what I say? Who will lose?
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
Who forward? We have them a tight bridging like brother. Brother. We have them is like brother, my youth.
Yeah, but
you know what I say?
The tightness can pass.
Cool, man. Lord
God.
God.
I don't know about that tightness. You got too far again.
Yo, we are talking big people argument. We're not talking little people argument right
now.
See?
No.
Big man argument we are talking now. Big woman argument right now. See?
Hold on.
Big woman argument right now. See?
Watch out. All who said the tightness to get a wipe, put a wipe on the blower screen and so.
So your virgin never tight it?
No.
Your virgin never tight?
No.
Your name never close?
No.
Your name never close?
No.
Boy, I'm not saying nothing more. I'm play my tune.
All who say
ever get a wipe on the screen.
Hold on, yeah, Choco, tell him for easy, yes, Choco. Tell him for easy.
What's the why?
Tell him for easy, Choco. Tell him for easy. Tell him for easy. Are your friend never say why? Are your brethren never say why? But people, for you know, so you have a real brethren, you know what I say? And you lose someone who you really love. You know what I deal with? I want to say the one. I want to put up a one. One we want to see on the screen now. One. We don't want to see no why no more. We want to see one. Okay? We want to see the one on the screen right now. One. Alright? From you lose your birthday, enough people will lose last year. Juxi Killer, bless up yourself. I mean, enough people will lose last year. Enough birthday will lose last year. See it? So I want to say, yeah man, let me see the one them now.
That's a fire burning. I'm the LP International. I'm the Gary Puma.
Easy not to kiss. Big up.
12.
Choco Banton.
More time I take for granted the time we
Come on people, let's go. See the one that Killer D.
International shout.
Killer D never lose nobody. He never lose nobody.
Used to split some Merlin and two. When LP and screw you make them.
Yeah man, let me see the one them people. One up there, one up there.
Can't tell we say we smart. Break we out.
Share the life too.
When the preacher pray over your body that day.
What's it?
Gary know him lose and free.
Yo, pull up them tune, man. Me have to big up my brother, man. You don't know Grams, you know me. I say one boy. You know me. I say me have to big up my uncle Bugs. You know me. I deal with. And bless up everyone who lose a close bridging. You know me. I deal with. Bless up security run, cause you don't know me who run from Jamaica, no Killer D. School teacher and all them things there. You know me. I say.
Yeah, man.
Bless up money clad. You know me. I say
yeah,
we know clad. Yo, Jano star. So people, want to say yo, one up the people. One.
That's a fire burning. Used to split some Merlin and two.
Yeah man, one up them man.
Be and screw you make them laugh. When we tell us so we can't, you tell us so we smart. Break we heart to see your past.
One more.
When the preacher pray over your body that day. Gary know him lose and free.
What you mean, Father G?
So we had life won't be the same.
One more.
Few man them lose and free.
Yeah man, R.I.P. man, SIP and all them things them man.
Lose a friend, lose a friend, yeah.
All who lost somebody put some one on the screen. What do you want them there?
We got to shut it out so we icon. Although your boss and gone, you want Puma then.
What you mean?
You know it's himself, she belongs.
John the Baptist, Shanika and the whole crew. Yo, Giano.
I tell you, Gary, it broke from there. Them friendly come off this rope. You want go help I ever cross this boat. No silver lining now we life.
Up there again, people, let's go.
Hey, when the preacher pray over your body that day. You man know them lose a friend.
Pull up. So, as you don't know, each and every week.
Yeah, you do the introduction this week, right?
No, you can't do the introduction.
No, man, you do the introduction.
Oh, man.
You talk about why and all them things. You just go why the introduction and why the introduction is.
No, yes or no?
Yo.
Big up to everybody each and every week that tune in. You don't know the thing go. You see it? Do remember Rumble Talk each and every Thursday. Big up Drew, big up Iron Vice. You don't know the thing go from 6 to 8 live on IrishandChin.com. Live on soundchatradio.com. No light, man.
Dancehall settings.
Dancehall settings.
Dancehall settings.
Yeah, man.
It dark over there. You know, man, it's a good man. They've been complaining long time, man.
Yeah, man.
Maybe your phone, man.
Probably phone, man.
Other phone away, brother. Other phone away, brother.
If phone wants some lotion, it's ashy. If phone ashy, wants some lotion.
Yeah, so people, you don't know, each and every week, you know, so we have a guest, special guest in the building, you know what I say? Of course. Every week we have, you know what I say?
Every week we have a special guest in the building. They get to me and say, and this week's special guest, I'm not even going to tell you who it is yet. But do remember, each and every Sunday, right here's a place to be. And if you miss a show, do remember you can go check out it on YouTube. And remember when you reach the YouTube, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you go and subscribe to the channel. You get to me and say, make sure you like the channel. You get to me and say, make sure you click the notification button. So this way you can know when the new show them drop a road. You know what I mean? You see? And big up to everybody on the live once more. You know what I mean? You see that sound here? We're forward this week. That sound I don't really need the introduction because that sound have been there, done that, and
yeah, nobody go out with the foolishness.